See people, my Obenga people, the matter wey dey today na Chika matter. Now we wan carry come give una. Una know say this Chika na top Nollywood actress when e dey live luxurious life, when e dey live flamboyant life. Wey e be like say na e be CEO of im company, e dey produce all this makeup dem. Dey say am na e dey in charge. That is na e be CEO of Chika makeup overlay or overturn. Dey say am now so wetin dey sup for inside matter. Dey say Regina Daniels mama don come out come talk am say there was never a time when e come take am say e go show Chika spiritually. Say she never talk am before because now Chika don bring that one come front. Dey say that time wey e be like say Chika and Regina Daniels mama dem dey quarrel, dem dey throw words. Chika come make recordings of how Regina Daniels come dey threa ten am. All these threats say if you no leave my daughter's husband, I will take you somewhere. I will take you somewhere. Before you know it, you will be out of life. So many threats where Mama Regina give this girl. This girl record it. The girl don come out, come put the recordings online. See wetin dey happen, see wetin dey sup. Make una no forget say Chika don before dey deny say e no fit friend Nwoke. So all of una wey dey join us today, una welcome to our channel. Wetin we sabi do here na to give you ogbonge story. As e dey play na we dey play am, as e dey drop na so we dey give you straight. My country people, wey if you don join us before, may God bless you. Please share the video and comment. Wetin dey sup now be say Rita Daniels dey broke that matter. Say that way be say Chika drop online. Say Mama Regina dey threa ten am. Mama Regina threa ten am say if you no leave my pikin husband, anything you see you go take am. My people no be small thing o. Regina Daniels say e no talk like that. Then Chika say e no talk am. So which one we go believe o? Wey three of them dey say mama e no talk am. Una know say Chika no be kpakpa ladies. Chika say for the fact say e be talk am that time 3 years ago, say e no pay back Nwoke. Na to still put respect to Nwoke's family. Say before then, say Nwoke dey give am luxurious lifestyle. Lifestyle wey be say if you come like this money, if she come like this money don fall for ground. My people no be small something o. People to come dey talk and say okay that time why you no marry am. Okay that time Regina Daniels come inside matter so say make she pack her kaya comot for inside this relationship wey e dey get with Nwoke because na im pikin na im be number one and only. Chika on her own side say she no dey date Nwoke. For the fact say Nwoke no marry me, I don throw one like tipper wey to waste sand. I don move hand. Everybody come dey happy o. Not up until this of recent where everybody come dey make her find this, come dey make her find this. Come see say Chika and Nwoke dey do their Ukere movement. They see all them for inside Asaba. They see them for inside one big mansion. They say who get mansion? They say na Chika get am. They say how they get that mansion? They say na that life where she dey live. Say she be CEO. Say no be prepare person. Say she dey travel out here and there. She dey into makeup business. They say she get money. So that woman Mama Regina say he go make her find this. Now she come make her find it. Find out that house where Chika dey, that mansion, say na Nwoke buy that mansion. Hey, now that one come make the thing come pepper they come put inside soup come worse. Now they come dey shout say like this house where they claim say na you get am, no be you get am, na Nwoke buy am for. Say say no be small thing o. Say they live like one until Chika come put leg. They say Chika don talk say na so people dey talk am, na so they talk am say na lie, say na e get the card. They say Mama Regina come dey talk and say na the planet Nwoke na buy that house. Whether you be CEO, if you where they go where they fly where, say you no fit buy that kind of house. Say nobody go fit buy that kind mansion. Say na Paddy Nwoke buy that kind mansion. Say even if they sell, even if na makeup that wey be say na be their business, you no fit sell 1 million makeups wey you go fit prove buy that kind house. I prove it to you say na Paddy Nwoke na him buy that mansion. Na so they begin call that man name. Say the mama Regina Daniels, they tell am say you no fit buy that kind mansion. Na my in-law na him buy that kind mansion. Now Chika Nwoke come open up say, okay, if it's like that, I'm about to be Paddy Nwoke 7th wife. Na wetin you want to go to am? Say go do wetin you want do. They say as he talk am so. Na Regina Daniels come craze say so na wetin you dey talk with this? Say you go be the 7th wife. They say as they talk am so. Now the thing come vex Chika go carry belle. Come carry belle so that it go close their mouth. Say na so if the Nwoke dey carry come dey visit am. Come dey visit am for him house. My people no be small thing. If I start dey talk this story here, story go remain 100 days. I never finish am. I just end am for here. So they just talk am. We no even understand am. The internet people come dey advise Regina Daniels say you no dey see say this man senior your papa. So if they add say if they add their papa age 2 times, add their papa 2 times, na it be this man wey dey marry na it be age. Say na it dey vex. Na dey vex. This their matter too much. I just end am here. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you.